Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start developing web apps with Node.js, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start developing web apps with Node.js, first, ensure that you have Node.js installed on your computer. You can download it from the official Node.js website. Once the installation is complete, open your terminal. Create a new directory for your project using the command dir my web app. Navigate into your project directory with cd my web app. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. This command will create a package.json file with default settings. Next, install express.js, a popular Node.js framework for building web applications. Run the command npm install express. Now, create a new file named app.js within your project directory. Open app.js in your preferred text editor. Begin by requiring the express module at the top of the file with the line const express equals require express. Then, create an instance of an express application using const app equals express. Set up a simple route to handle GET requests by adding app.get /req res equals res.send hello world. Next, make your app listen on a specific port by adding app.listen 3000 equals console.log server is running on port 3000. Save the changes to app.js. Return to your terminal and start your server by running node app.js. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost 3000. You should see hello world displayed on the page. Congratulations, you've just set up your first web app using Node.js. From here, you can explore more features and add complexity to your application. Consider looking into routing, middleware, and database integration as your next steps. Enjoy your journey in web development with Node.js. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.